Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top 4 New Collection Remote Control Car Review 2025.
Number 4.
Product Sell Points. RC Off-Road 4x4 High-Speed Performance. Achieve thrilling speeds of 50 to 85 km per hour with the super brushless motor, enhancing acceleration and top speed. Off-road capability. Equipped with 4WD and all-terrain tires, this RC car conquers various terrains with ease.
Number 3.
Description: 1. Brushless model 9522 Pro brushed model 9522. 2. The ideal speed of 9522 Pro is 85 km per hour, but the actual speed will be affected by other factors such as the venue. The actual speed of 9522 Pro is about 70 km per hour.
Number 2.
Experience unmatched excitement with this 1/14 scale 4WD RC car, reaching speeds of 85 km per hour or 50 km per hour, featuring high-speed drift capability, powerful 4x4 traction, and LED headlights. It's perfect for off-road racing. The responsive remote ensures precise control for thrilling adventures.
Number 1.
Main functions: 1. The use of simulation structure design, with real car control feeling, to achieve full-scale stepless transmission, high-speed driving, rapid acceleration, deceleration, braking, reversing, left, right turn. 2. Applicable site: flat land, sand, mud, grass. 3. Four-wheel drive, front and rear vertical spring shock absorption, double fork arm independent suspension system.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.